you can see brinjal plant. So when we go closer to this plant, you can see the first healthier plant, and when we go to the next leaves, someone eat the leaves. Can you see this? Okay. So here these leaves severe attack of some of organisms. And when we go through the brinjal plant, here also severe attacking of some organisms. So we can check who is that. Okay. So here is the special guest who is eating the leaves. Okay. So, do you know what they are commonly called? They are called pests. So, today we are discussing about what is pest and how to control the pest. Okay? Next, we can watch a video. Through that video, you will understand what are the main pests and its natural enemies. Okay?
Biological control is defined as the reduction of pest populations by natural enemies and typically involves an active human role. Natural enemies of pests include predators, parasitoids, and pathogens. Lady beetles and lacewings are examples of predators. Many species of wasps and some flies are parasitoids. Pathogens include bacteria, fungi, and viruses.
Through that video, we go through the predators, parasites, and pathogens. So we can go through what is predators, parasites, and pathogens. Classification of natural enemies of pest. First one is predators. It's defined as an organism which feeds upon other animal, that is prey, that are usually smaller and weaker than itself, frequently devouring them completely and rapidly. And the second classification is parasites. Parasites are organisms that lives on or in a host organism. And the third one is pathogen. A pathogen or infectious agent is a biological agent that causes diseases or illness to its host. Pathogens of agricultural pests are usually bacteria, fungal, or viral. Okay. Next we can see one article. Okay. Here is the article. Cancer patient toll on the rise. Thiruvananthapuram. The wide use of chemical pesticide is suspected to be an important reason for the increase in the number of cancer affected persons. The presence of pesticides identified in even groundwater has become a matter of great concern. What did you understand through this article? We need to control the pest in eco-friendly manner. Okay? So, through that article, what did you understand? That is the article name, Cancer Patients Toll on the Rise. This is the summary about it. That is, pest control is the regulation or management of a species defined as pest. A member of the animal kingdom that impacts adversely on human activities. Okay. Control of these pests is attempted through exclusion, repulsion, physical removal or chemical means. So, when we control the pest in unscientific way or using some chemicals, it may affect our health also, that is human beings' health. Okay.
To get higher yields, it is important to keep my crops healthy. My extension agent recommended me the Integrated Pest Management or IPM, a combination of experiences, techniques, investigation and knowledge locally available. IPM has three main components we must follow: prevention, monitoring, intervention. Through IPM, I prevent economically important damages to my crops. How do I get it? Taking into account crop location, varieties selected, planting dates, and crop rotation. Responsible use of soils, water, and plant nutrition, harvest, storage, and biodiversity preservation. All this learning helped me to carry out the monitoring. Now I know which insects are pests and which are beneficial. With this information, I can decide the best method of intervention my crops require. First, I start with cultural and physical controls. This means I can interrupt the advancement of the pest. Second, I continue with ecological control. Therefore, I can use the behavior of the pest to its own control. With biological control, pest populations in my crops are controlled by their own natural enemies. That is why I care for them. Finally, I use chemical control, employing the correct product with my application equipment properly calibrated. I never forget following all safety instructions advised on the label and all good agricultural practices. This control can also be combined and alternated with other technologies available. This way, we reduce resistant development and losses. Always follow IPM's three-step: prevention, monitoring, and intervention.
So, through that short video, you will understand what is integrated pest management. Before moving to that section, we need to get to know that what is the main concept of integrated pest management. The first main concept is prevent the multiplication of pest. And the second main concept is limit the number without the loss of crop. These are the two main concepts of integrated pest management. Okay? So, we discussed the main two concepts about integrated pest management. So, what is the basic principle of IPM, that is integrated pest management? We can go. IPM, that is integrated pest management. The basic principle of IPM is not the destruction of pest totally. Here, instead, it tries to prevent the multiplication of pests and to limit their number without loss of crop. These are the two basic principles. What are the principles? To prevent the multiplication of pests and to limit their number without loss of crop. We can go through the eco-friendly method used in integrated pest management. Okay, so eco-friendly method. Do you know what are the methods? First method is this one. That is reduce the use of chemical pesticide. And the next method is mechanical pest control. And the third method is natural enemies of pest. We should control the natural enemies of the pest. And fourth, encouraging application of biopesticide. These are the eco-friendly methods. What are the eco-friendly methods? Reduce the use of chemical pesticides, mechanical pest control, encouraging application of biopesticides, and natural enemies of pest. Okay? There are some modern methods, that is technologies, to control the pest. The first one is pheromone trap. It is the method to attract and destroy insects using artificial substances that have a chemical nature similar to that of pheromone emitted by insect. Okay, so I will show you one image. This is a type of pheromone trap, and here chemical substance is pasting or stick on it, and the insect will attract towards that chemical and they will trapped in this place. Okay. And the next modern method is radiations. It is another method of controlling the multiplication of pests by destroying the reproductive capacity of male pest using radiations. So there is no offspring will be produced. So in this way we can reduce the pest. Okay. So what all things we discussed today? We discussed what is pest and its natural enemies, what is pest control, and integrated pest management, and the last topic, modern techniques to control pest. Okay? So here is the homework questions for you. First question, what are the two modern methods to control the pest? Second question, what do you understand by the term IPM? Third question, what are natural enemies? Give one examples of each. Fourth one, what is the basic principle of IPM? And fifth question, what is the reason for tremendous increases of pest? And the last question, what are the advantages of IPM? So, this is all about today's class. Hope you all understand the topic. Okay, bye. Thank you.